Hey guys, how are you all doing? You can see how I'm doing. Yeah. So I was just outside here. We just finished packing, if you can believe it, another cord of firewood in the building back there. You can see it right over my shoulder here. Yeah. This is the second cord we're packing for the week. And I just said to my husband, tell Farmer Dan not to come back this week. I can't pack away any more wood for this week. So I hope he doesn't come back. He waits until next week so I can recover. Yeah, but anyways, it's been a while. We have not done a garden tour. And so I figure I'll come out and show you guys the landscape, what it looks like when it is winter, right? We have lots and lots of snow. It was snowing this morning and we have a little break now, but it's supposed to start snowing again later this afternoon, according to the forecast. So you guys take a look. Yeah. Do you remember this place? Here's one of my arbor that I built. Going through, check out my pear tree here. Okay, this is where the squash bed was. Here's my cherry tree. Well, right now it's not a tree yet, it's a shrub. Oh, look at this, guys. I am way deep in snow here. Here's another pear tree. I put a grapevine right here because I'm going to put another arbor at this entrance here. Yeah. What's this again? I think this is a cherry tree. I think it may be a Cupid or Juliet, one of those type of trees. Yeah. And more shrub here that I planted. That one didn't get planted, and that's another cherry that got planted. This one here is the one that has me a bit concerned, and I'm hoping that it survives. I actually put it above ground in a planter, but the bottom is open, so it should be able to send down roots. But I wanted to give it sort of bit of a break this year because apparently it is a plum that is suited for for up to spacing USDA zone 5 and we are zone 4A. I took a chance on it. It could go up to or down to minus 29 degrees Celsius, and here we get to about 30 to minus 32. So I took a chance on it, and I'm hoping it survives. If it survives this winter, which is the first year, and it gets more established next year, then it should be good. So guys, pray with me. Let's hope it survives. Yeah. Back here is an apple tree. Hi, Paul. Yeah, I'm showing my friends the space, what it looks like in the winter. Yeah, this apple tree is one of the last ones I planted. Yeah, and then there's another one over here. So I have been planting a few fruit trees. Back here we still need to clean. Look at that tree, that lanky tree right there. That's bending. It's like it bowed all the way over and touched the ground on the other side. Somewhere back there, I saw a chaga on a birch tree, and I'm gonna find it one of these days. Yeah, and this is my big boulder that I'm used to going up on to look around the garden. Let's see if I can make it up. You won't see me going up because I have the camera and I don't have a tripod. I don't know if I can make it up. Look, there's a lot of snow on it. Oh, maybe I could try a different strategy. There are some tree stumps around here. Is that a pretty picture? See how much snow has been falling? Check that out. Yeah. It looks like I won't be able to get up there. But I don't give up easily, so I'm gonna dip my hand in the snow here I'm gonna take the snow off. Check that out. I'm carving a cave here. Check that out. That's pretty cool. And it's not collapsing. But I was wanting to see if you know what? Maybe I shouldn't get too zealous here. Yeah, maybe I shouldn't. I don't want to hurt myself. I'm not going to do it. Just wanted to get an aerial view. And check this out. This is where the pond is. This is where the pond is, my friends. Yeah. Okay. Hopefully this coming spring, summer, let's just say summer, we'll be able to get to finish off the pond. Yeah. I think I am gonna head back out. Yeah, there's a greenhouse over there, greenhouse she shed. Yeah. Okay, let's take you over the other side. Just a beanie bit. My greenhouse she shed is locked down. I don't have heat in there. Yeah. And these are two structures that I built. They're for my goji berries. And check this out. There is a goji berry here clinging on. Yeah, so this is a garden, guys. This is a garden. And check that out. My arbor that I built. Yeah. The next time you see me walking around this place this much will be sometime in late February or mid-March, thereabout, depending on the temperature, when we will be tapping maple trees to make maple syrup. Yeah, guys, thank you for spending a few minutes with me. Going through the snow can actually make you tired. Plus, I just finished helping to pack away wood. Haven't eaten since morning yet. It's probably about 2 o'clock now. So I am gonna head on in, and yeah, I should show you guys. Let's show you my other structures that I built in the front here. I don't think you saw one of them. I was trying to record to show you guys, but I didn't get to it. But yeah, here is one of the arbors that I built here, and there is the other one over there. The snow is usually very deep there, so I'm not even gonna try to walk across that area. But yeah, here is my privacy fence that I erected, and yeah, there is a little more for me to do on it, but yeah, I'll finish it up this summer, guys. I'm gonna head on in wherever you are. If you're in a warm climate, stay cool. If you're in a cool climate, stay warm. Take care of yourselves now, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for being here. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Dare to be different. Follow your own star. Somebody's shoveling snow, but I'm not staying out here. I'm going in. I've paid my dues out here already.